Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram. You can only send messages to a mutual. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram, you can only send messages to mutual contacts at the moment. You should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Telegram and you will enter here. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. When you will enter this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click manage storage. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.